How to check Amazon gift card balance with serial number. Amazon.com is an online marketplace where customers can buy a wide variety of products, including electronics, books, clothing, groceries, and more. In order to check Amazon gift card balance, first go to Amazon.com. Log into your account or sign into your Amazon app. Then click on this person icon. Then you got few different options. Click on your account. Scroll down and click on Manage Gift Card Balance option. Once you click there, you can see your gift card balance. You can see I have $30 in my Amazon gift card balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.